In the pasture green, where the grasses sway, stands a gentle creature in the light of day, with a coat of white, brown, or black. It munches and chews, never looking back. Cow, with your big soulful eyes, in the meadow wide you graze and rise, with a lowing moo and a gentle nudge. You roam the fields without a grudge. Through the fields and across the dell you move with grace, like a gentle with a flick of your tail and a swish of your ear. You show your contentment without any fear. Cow, in your herd you find your place, a symbol of peace and grace. With your milk and your meat you nourish us all. In the circle of life you stand tall. So sleep tight, little one, and dream away of the cow in the light of day. In your dreams may you graze and play with the cow forever and a day. In the never and day, in the meadows embrace, where serenity reigns, with the cow let's roam the verdant plains. In nature's harmony we'll find our way, with the cow forever and a day.